Hello everybody. That's all, and he's watching TV.
Hey!
Why can't I show the TV? Why don't I see the TV? I'm gonna show you all something. Here, let me just get the stand. So if you can see, I got all these for Christmas. It's a lot of mini stuff with like utensils and plates and foods and stuff. And I decided to play with them now because I want to. Now I'm going to set. Let's do it. Well, I'm gonna open this one. And okay, that's a good start. Because I was open this one first. Well, that's how oh, look, it's a chair. If you want, you can come and play.
No.
And then tray. Wait, I'm just going to sort these. I'll just put all these. The video you're watching was called I Survived 1,000 Days in Hardcore Minecraft. Can you stop it? I'm videotaping. Okay, we'll try it. No, I'll do all the utensils first. I like these. They have all you can, yeah.
Is that just music?
These look like chopsticks.
Yeah.
You can see.
Oh, look, one of those. That's thing I need to know about.
Which ones that I got from Christmas.
You got them for Christmas.
Yeah.
Have fun, Mom.
Okay, thanks, T. Okay, here you go. I'll put those on. Right now, I'm just going to put all these in stacks. Nobody will care about this. Okay, Addie. Is it going well?
No, we're still fixing it.
Okay.
But you still do your video.
Okay. Now I'm going to open this one. Oh, these are like plastic. Well, if you could reach through the phone and see it. There's like a fork, another fork. Yeah, I'll put them all on my hand so you can see them. Then I'll put you on my hand. Yeah. That's what there is. And then there's this pan. Another pan, a pot, and cute little bowl. And these are super mini. I'll put you right there. I don't really want utensils. I know I want the drinks now. There's these drinks. I want some of these for Christmas, so I guess it's pretty good. Whoa, these feel so nice when you put it all in together. All the middle ones always like this. That right there. Whoa, you should see these. There's like, I think I don't really know that fruit. Oh, and then there's grape, watermelon. I think that's orange or something. Boba, kiwi. Okay, brown boba. And more lemon. Then like these candy cane thing. Well, they don't look like candy canes, but yeah. Okay, well, these are really cool drinks. I'm gonna set them up over here. Oh, did you see these? They're super cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
I don't know if I'm a big fan of the brown one. It doesn't look so nice.
You don't look so nice. Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna open these like sodas and drinks now. Whoa, these are cool. It's like baby noodles, and then there's soda bottles. Okay, oh, this cool water.
Oh, he's making letters.
Oh, and then honey. You can see all this. Those are cool. I'll put you there. You guys can't see them. Okay. I'll put you right there. Now I'm gonna move on to this guy. I mean, I counted these a little bit like dishes, but I guess I might do that. They're like dishes with foods on them. Like that. See? That's really cool. Oh, look. These are also cute. They're so small. Look at it. It's a looks like a Christmas tree almost. Oh, like Christmassy. These are all kind of Christmassy, not so much. There we go. That's cool. Ooh, let's open these ones now. Whoa. There's so many and they're so small. Look at this cake. It has like so much of the texture on it. Then hamburger. Ooh, bread with toast on it. Kind of like French toast. But it's cooked. I have no idea what this is. The burger. Oh, this looks interesting. Oh, this looks like a dumpling, but it's not plus five. Then there's like that cake, like a rice bowl. It's like, I have no idea. I do not know what that is either, but they're cool. Yeah, put those in there so you guys can take a look at that. Okay, I'm gonna move on to these.
So after about half an hour of adventuring, I once again found
There we go. I'm just gonna move all these out of this spare space in the middle to open and find new things. I like Minecraft. Ooh, it's like this. Oh, have you guys ever heard of mini brands? They're really cool. They're like these small little brands. They're like your water bottle or your milk or your food at home, but they're just mini. And then you can get like mini brand stores, mini brand fashion stores, a mini brand grocery store, toy store, whatever you want. It's actually really cool if you think about it. I can show you it in my room. I have two. I have a mini brand food court, and then I have the mini brand toy store. Oh, these are like sweets. It says sweet on it. This has chocolate. Oh, strawberry heart. I love strawberries. Comment down below if you love them too. There's bugles and berries. Ooh, these are cool. Super cool, actually, to be honest. What's your thing? Oh, this is the big one. So that's a good thing I saved the biggest one for last year. That's on there. Giant. Let's open a little bit at a time so we don't make ourselves do too much at a time. Whoa, these are gonna be cool. I'll put them in line so you guys can see them. An Oreo. A cracker. So much. And some more tarts. And fruits and foods and pretzels. And twisties. And bread. There's so much. Yeah, sorry. Whoa, you guys should see this cake. That's crazy. It's like a purple waffle. Whoa. Yeah, these are cool.
Mama, this perfect for scraping Legos off.
That's cool. Perfect. Okay.
This is, I got this.
These are like that. Oh, and a heart-shaped one. Oh, I think I've tasted this. It was at my party where I had a tea party. There's a popsicle. This. Oh, this one's very fancy. I like it. Okay, we still have a lot more of them. Oops. Done. Whoa. Oh, hey there. There's like another one of those kits. I think there's lots of copies in here. That's why it's really big. Oh, I love strawberries. Then there's more chocolate. I love chocolate too. That. And this or that. And that. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this one's cute. Oh, look at it. It has a little smiley face. This one has a smiley face. That's cute. Sorry about the noises. It's a Minecraft YouTube video. Okay. Now, back to this. Oh, yep. There's more smiley faces. Oh, another loaf of bread without some. Another frosting. That. There's this. Oh, I let that out. Good. Oh, there's coffee. Whoa. That was big. Here, I'll just put them in my lap and then show you. Ooh, another textured ice cream. These are so cool. These were from Christmas. I think they were from my mom, my grandma, or I don't really remember. I don't have the best memory. Oh, there's even some copies from this group. You can see that and that. Okay, never mind. So I'm gonna put the bag on the pile. Show you this. Oh my god, sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna put them on the stack. Okay. Well, let's try something. I'm gonna take this and try to prepare a meal. What you looking for, Addie?
Where's the ukulele?
I think it's in the closet. Go check them there.
Okay.
There's still those two. Okay, I'm just gonna scoot up some time. Sorry if you can't see it.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, let's find it. Is that it? Is that it in here?
Here.